Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can hide typing status in WhatsApp. This situation might actually be awkward when you are typing a message and at the same time the person is online. Now he or she will get to know that you are actually typing a message, and in case if you decide to unsend the message, now that might actually be some kind of awkward situation or an embarrassing situation. Now in order to avoid such circumstances or in order to hide your typing status, what you can do is you simply watch the video till the end. First of all, open up your WhatsApp application. Now over here for this video I've asked one of my contact member to type in the message, and once you type in the message, this is what it actually looks like. Right on top, once you open the chat page, you can see there is an indication that the person is actually typing the message. Now in order to avoid such circumstances, what you can do is you can simply turn on your flight mode on, and then you can type in the message. So unfortunately there's no alternative method, so you'll have to cope up with this method. That is how you can hide typing status on WhatsApp. So that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.